the most hyped up camera, cinema camera in the world right now is the Sony FX series. That's the Sony FX3 and the Sony FX30. It has a lot of hype, and I was like, what's this hype about? Why is everybody talking about the Sony FX3 and FX30? I had a wedding coming up, and we had a budget for the Fuji because I use the Fuji for everything I do, photos and videos. But I said, why not try out the Sony FX3 and see what's all this hype about? I called up a pro, Ola, to come and help me out at the wedding, and we got the Sony FX3 with the lens 24 to 70 2. That's the Mark II zoom lens. At the wedding, when it came with the camera, I held it. I was like, this camera is so small. Why is it looking this small? I was like, wow, it's so small. So I said to myself, fine, let us give it a try and let's see what this small bad boy can do with all the hype in quotes. And guess what? Yes, the hype is real. The hype, the FX3 hype is solid. This is one of the first camera that I would say the hype was 100% on point. The hype is so real. The Sony FX3, FX30 series are amazing cinema cameras. Yeah. So what we did was that we had Ola come in, set it up, ready to go. And we did some clips with it, and it was like, OMG, oh my God, it's amazing. That camera is worth every penny it says it's worth. Yeah. And when he shoot in S-Log, we didn't do that. Yeah, we had to shoot in neutral. So Ola did a very amazing job. He did the settings on the FX3 and we shot in neutral. We had just the V30 SD card. As you know, that's not really a good card for the FX series there. And shot in 4K. Ola was amazing. He did the settings there and we were able to use the SD card V30 for 4K. And the footage were amazing. It was sweet. Like, it was just mind-blowing. The colors, the way it looks, the focusing. I'm like, OMG, this cam is worth it. Yeah, it is. I will be doing a YouTube video very soon of me editing the footage in Premiere Pro or DaVinci. It all depends. And I want to see how well I can edit it. Like, how well can anybody pick up the cam, shoot, and edit it to look really good for your clients. I will not advise anyone to try this on a wedding, except you have a pro with you that can help you edit it, help you set it up, and it can help you shoot on that day. At the wedding, it's someone's wedding, so don't try it. I won't say you should try it someone's wedding, except it's a pro. But me, I got a pro, and I'm happy about that. The quality was mind-blowing, came out really nice. I loved it, and I'm in love with it right now. Will I be buying it? The answer is not yet, because there's a lot of money right now for me to afford. In Naira, it's around 5.4 million Naira, which is a lot of money. That's around $3,000 and above. And no, it's not good for me right now. But will I be using it for other video jobs, for weddings? The answer is yes, I will. I will be going now to rent the FX3 and the Sony AS3 to shoot my weddings from now henceforth. Yes, the wedding photographer tries out the Sony FX3 and it killed it.